Yeah, what's up, guys? Um, Happy Xmas once again, and a prosperous New Year to you all. What's up, guys? Yeah, I'm back again. I'm back again this week. I wanted to, like I said, I'm going to do a practical video of the previous video that I made. So, if you didn't watch the video, if you didn't watch the previous video I made, okay, I would like you to click the video here on the screen there. You see the video here, you go and watch it, okay, so that you get a good understanding of what is going on. Okay, by next year, we'll be able to have a good groove. By next year, you should be able to play and sound like a pro and sound good. Okay, so if it's the first time you're watching my video, I would like you to click on the subscribe button there, okay, then turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my video each and every time I post a video. Okay, all right, guys, just give a comment below, give a like, okay, wherever you don't understand, just give me a comment below. All right, so happy Xmas once again to you guys. I just want to make a brief video about the previous video I made, okay, the practical aspect of it. So at first, I want to, like I told you, two secret about soloing. Okay, like we have like the harmonizing tone and the sliding tone. Okay, I told you. So I want you to watch this video. Okay, just watch this video and listen to the way I play the video. And this is one of my videos I made. Okay, it's one of my videos I make. So I want you to listen to the video very well and hear the way I play it. Okay, all right, let's go. All right, guys, so I wanted you to listen to the way I was sliding my notes. Okay, like I told you, one of the things that will give you a good solo in is when you have the ability to harmonize your notes. Okay, like what I was playing there, the song I'm playing there is Nare Kele Mo, okay, by Tim Godfrey. I believe many of you know the song, and I made the cover for this cover for the song. So at the end of this video, you see the cover of the song. You can go and watch it, the full video there. Okay. So what am I playing there? The song I'm playing the key of D. Okay. So like I'm playing na ra na ra. Okay. 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 So like you hear the way I'm playing the notes, like I'm sliding the notes, making the note look more harmonizing. Okay. 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 All right. So those are the basic things you need to know. Like whenever you're playing your note, whenever you're playing any song, you should be able to be doing something like what we call harmoning, like harmonizing your note. Like you can listen to what I play there. Okay, so and I come to the second interval and play. Okay. 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 Like the previous video, I show you all those sliding, like all those kind of harmony notes. Okay, you amount your notes. You don't make your note look so tat out. Like you make your note look very harmonizing, so harmonizing. Okay. So la da da da. Okay. But you fast it a little from here. Okay. Okay. So that was what I was playing. Okay, all those slow like the same note. Okay. So whenever you're playing your scale, you'll be able to slide your note, slot your note, harmonize your note. Okay. Okay. So just watch this solo. Watch this solo part. You can hear the solo part. Okay. So notice on me. Hear the way I'm sliding the note. Okay, so I want you to start working on your note, the way you slide your note, the way you play your note, okay? And it give you a perfect playing, a perfect groove, a nice harmonizing, okay? So wherever you don't understand, just let me know into the comment section of this video, okay? I will let you understand more and more. So we are coming up, by next year we are coming up with a new video in a new dawn, okay? A new doings. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my video each and every time I post a new video. Okay? Alright, see you guys next year. Bye.